Hi first-time campers, my name's Alex and I'm a campground ambassador, and today we're going to be talking about some of the things that you guys might want to bring with you when you come on your first time camping. This is a camp stove, but it is possible to cook on a fire, although it is a little bit harder and will take a lot longer for you. So a propane stove like this is an ideal option for cooking on the campsite. My next item on my essential list is my kitchen kit. So I use a plastic tub to hold all of my kitchen gear, and inside the plastic tub I have a lot of awesome items. I have a bag of all of the utensils that I'll use for cooking, and that includes a variety of things that you would find in your kitchen at home. Some knives, and I made sheaths for them just simply out of some cardboard and duct tape, and it works great. These are my cast iron skillets, and I like to bring these with me because they're great, they're hardy. Cutting board is our other important piece. I've picked a thin cutting board because it's light. A couple of plates to eat off of. Bring bowls if you think it'll be necessary as well. And I have a little bit of camp soap. A lot of campsites will have a place to do your dishes, but we do bring bins with us to do our dishes, which definitely come in handy. Moving across, we have a trusty cooler. You don't need anything fancy. You're gonna wanna have this ready to go to keep your food in, and buy some ice before you get to the campsite to throw in there, keep your food cold the whole time you're there. And last but not least, a water jug. Water jugs can come in handy in many ways: to wash your hands, to wash dishes on the campsite, to fill up your water bottle. When you're cooking, it's really great to have water handy. These are some of the essentials that we like to bring with us, but this may not be everything, and it may be more than you'll bring. But don't worry too much. When you're out on the campsite cooking, you're gonna have a great time, and food always tastes better when you're camping.